A new era of MotoGP begins in 2027, a revolution built on three pillars: speed, safety, and sustainability. These new technical regulations redefine how the fastest motorcycles on Earth are designed, engineered, and raced. Each detail, from the engines to aerodynamics, has been crafted to make the sport cleaner, more competitive, and more thrilling for fans worldwide. It's not just evolution, it's the rebirth of racing's purest form, MotoGP, engineered for the future. 2027 regulations mark the most comprehensive transformation in modern MotoGP history. Every system has been examined, from engine capacity and aerodynamic freedom to ride height control and fuel composition. The new rulebook introduces refined limits that reward engineering creativity while keeping all competitors on a level playing field. The goal is balance, a championship defined not by technical loopholes but by rider skill, precision, and teamwork. Every manufacturer, Ducati, Yamaha, Honda, KTM, and Aprilia, stood together to shape a collective vision for the next decade. Through years of research, testing, and collaboration with the FIM and Dorna, the new rules were built with full consensus. The result is a blueprint for progress that ensures racing remains fast, fair, and fiercely competitive. For the first time in history, the entire paddock moves forward as one, united for the future of MotoGP. MotoGP has always evolved in 5-year cycles, reflecting how innovation never sleeps. From the raw power of the 1000cc era to precision of today's machines, every generation has pushed the limits of what's possible. 2027 to 2031 term introduces the 850cc platform, smaller, more efficient, yet still breathtakingly fast. It represents the perfect synthesis of racing heritage and modern engineering. MotoGP continues its legacy of evolution. Not slower, but smarter. Not restricted, but reimagined. Will MotoGP lose its speed? Not at all. Manufacturers estimate a difference of only 1 to 2 seconds per lap, an almost invisible gap at this level of competition. Riders will continue to hit over 350 km per hour on the straights, corner at impossible lean angles, and fight for every thousandth of a second. The performance remains unmatched, but now it's achieved through cleaner combustion, refined control, and sharper handling. In 2027, performance isn't about going faster. Innovation is the heartbeat of MotoGP. These new rules don't limit development, they ignite it. Manufacturers are now free to explore new engine layouts, advanced electronic systems, and cutting-edge materials that enhance both efficiency and safety. Every advancement made here eventually reaches the road, influencing millions of motorcycles worldwide. MotoGP remains the ultimate testing ground, where technology meets adrenaline and innovation fuels the future. The most powerful change of all is under the fuel tank. From 2027, every MotoGP bike will run on 100% non-fossil fuel, verified through C14 isotope analysis to ensure complete sustainability. This is not a token gesture, it's a genuine commitment to reducing the sport's carbon footprint while maintaining the raw excitement of racing. Cleaner fuel, cleaner air, the same thunderous sound of MotoGP. The future of speed is green, and MotoGP leads the way. At the heart of the new regulations lies the 850cc engine, a masterpiece of control and precision. By reducing displacement from 1000cc and setting a new maximum bore size, MotoGP engineers have crafted an engine that maintains the thrill while improving safety and sustainability. Riders will enjoy smoother power delivery, improved traction, and more manageable torque without losing intensity. It's the perfect balance between power and control. The new heartbeat of MotoGP. The 2027 season is designed to make racing closer than ever before. Aerodynamic devices have been reduced, ride height and holeshot systems eliminated, and airflow simplified. The result is cleaner racing, fewer disruptions in turbulent air, and more opportunities for overtaking. Every lap becomes a true battle between riders, not just machines. For fans and competitors alike, this is what pure racing was always meant to be. Side by side, on the limit, until the very last corner. Safety stands at the center of every innovation. From improved braking stability to predictable acceleration, each regulation aims to reduce risk without dulling the drama. The new bikes will still reach breathtaking speeds, but with systems that enhance rider confidence and mechanical reliability. In MotoGP, safety doesn't mean slowing down, it means empowering the world's best riders to push even harder, knowing the sport evolves with them. MotoGP doesn't just plan for a season, it plans for a generation. The 2027 to 2031 regulatory cycle defines a clear roadmap for progress, one that prioritizes stability, investment, and global growth. Manufacturers can innovate within fair limits, teams can develop sustainably, and fans can expect even tighter, more dramatic championships. This is not just a rulebook, it's a long-term commitment to keep MotoGP at the forefront of motorsport excellence. As the engines fire for 2027, the message is clear. This is the future of racing. Every rule, every redesign, and every drop of fuel reflects MotoGP's promise to thrill the world while protecting its future. The sport evolves, the passion endures, and the show becomes even greater. For the riders, for the sport, for the show, MotoGP. The future begins now.